Hey, Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas. Official na ang OPPO Reno10 Pro Plus 5G. We posted an article about this phone recently at talaga namang ginalingan ni OPPO dito sa series na to. Especially pagdating sa performance at ang flagship level photography features niya. Pero since what we only have right here is the OPPO Reno10 Pro Plus 5G, ito muna ang pag-uusapan natin sa video na to. But before we do, I would appreciate it if you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the notification bell for more videos like this. Alrighty, before we get to the meat of our discussion, let me first show you yung mga bagay na makikita mo sa loob ng box nito. Apart from the Reno10 Pro Plus 5G na in this new color that I'll talk about later, meron rin itong kasamang documentations, silicone case, SIM ejector tool, 100 watts super VOOC charger at Type-C cable. Kumpleto at walang kulang, pero nasa iyo naman yan kung gusto mong kumuha ng extra accessories for your new phone. Ngayon, hindi pa ito ang full review ng Reno10 Pro Plus 5G, pero magbibigay ako ng initial verdict ko per segment na makikita nyo bandang dito para mas madali nyong malaman kung ano ang aking initial thoughts sa phone na to. Kakaiba ang itsura ng bagong Reno10 Pro Plus 5G. Maraming binago si OPPO sa itsura ng phone na to. Mas lumaki ang camera module at mas may dating ang overall design niya. What I have here is the glossy purple color. Mukhang porcelana, no? At pansin ko na hindi kumakapit ang fingerprint sa coating niya. Meron din itong Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection which adds extra protection sa phone na to. 3D curved screen na rin siya with about 93.9% screen to body ratio. It barely weighs 200 grams at 8.28mm lang ang nipis. Easier to put inside the pocket at hindi ka rin mag-aalinlangan na pwedeng magasgas ang screen nito sa mga kasamang susi sa bulsa. Now, the slight upgrade of the size of the display also includes upgrades on its screen resolution and brightness. At the time of the production of this video, inaalam pa namin kung kayang bumaba down to 1 Hz ang refresh rate nito gaya ng makikita natin sa mga ibang competing products with Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2 at Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processors. But according to OPPO, it has dynamic refresh rate presets of 45, may 60 rin siya, 90, saka 120 Hz. Malaking bagay ang lower refresh rate to save on battery at mas maganda sana kung kaya nitong bumaba down to 1 Hz for always-on display features. Now, before I go to camera features of the Reno10 Pro Plus 5G, let's first talk about the chipset of this device. Balik Snapdragon ng Reno. No? The Reno10 Pro Plus 5G has Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, which is still one of the powerful flagship chipsets in the market right now. Wise decision yan si OPPO for putting a flagship chipset from last year for two purposes. Mas makokontrol nila ngayon yung price ng chipset without sacrificing power and performance, of course, pati yung phone. At pangalawa, mas pinapremium nila ang dating ng Reno10 Pro Plus 5G. This is going to make the purchase decision of consumers much easier, lalo na kung namimili ka between another flagship brand from last year or the Reno10 Pro Plus 5G. Ngayon, in order to give you a more empirical, yung something that you can see at experience na view of its performance, magbibigay ako ng benchmark results ng tatlong phones running on Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, at Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Lahat yan may 12 gigs of RAM. I also played some games like Mobile Legends, Honkai Star Rails, Diablo Immortal, at Firelight 84. These are different genres of games that can potentially show you how the device we are reviewing behaves in real-life scenarios. Full data and information of our benchmarks can be found on our website at gadgetpilipinas.net. Link is also in the description. Now, what is even more interesting is that this is literally the coolest Reno smartphone to date. Along with the core and GPU performance, we also measured the temperature of the Reno10 Pro Plus 5G. In fact, mineasure namin yung kanyang skin temperature or device skin temperature at saka yung CPU temperature for your information. We measured it while playing yung mga games na nabanggit ko kanina and kita nyo naman na yung temperature reading is still within the impressive range while playing the game. Naging posible to dahil sa ultra-conductive cooling system ng Reno10 Pro Plus 5G. Alright, at this point, pag-usapan naman natin ang cameras ng OPPO Reno10 Pro Plus 5G. Tatlo ang lente ng phone na to sa likod at isa naman sa harap. The camera package of this phone is a total upgrade from the previous generation. This means that if you own a Reno 8 before, you can still consider upgrading to the Reno10 Pro Plus 5G. This has a 50-megapixel IMX890 ultra clear main camera, 64-megapixel telephoto portrait camera with OIS, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide angle cameras. This phone is also packed with a 32-megapixel front-facing camera with autofocus. Meron din siyang 15cm focus distance at zoom options ranging from 0.x, 1x, and even 2x. Highly requested yung 0.8x kahit sa front-facing camera for wide selfie shots kasama ang mga barkada. Mas naging maayos rin ang image processing niya thanks to its next-gen image processing architecture. Minamaximize ito lahat ng lens ng phone para makapag-achieve siya ng photos with better clarity, color, shadow, at saka light. Dahil rin sa improvement ng sensor, mas bumilis ang image processing ng night shots by 54%. Mas maganda na rin ang pag-capture ng dynamic range ng phone na to. This will allow you to take photos with various exposures of light and shadows without sacrificing color accuracy. Ngayon, hindi ako expert in photography, pero feeling ko the phone helped me achieve the quality I wanted. What do you guys think? Again, these shots are taken on the OPPO Reno10 Pro Plus 5G. Siyempre, since OPPO is among the companies na seryoso sa portrait photography, marami silang na-improve sa portrait features niya. Better ang bokeh, natural na natural, at improve na rin ang focus. Maraming bagong features ang Reno10 Pro Plus 5G. As someone na first time na makagamit ng Pro Plus variant ng Reno, nanibago ako kasi I never use a Reno smartphone na pasok sa flagship level yung quality at features. Maraming features silang nilagay dito na normally makikita mo sa Find X series nila. It now even has an infrared remote control, better multi-screen connection, at saka security. In fact, gaya ng previous Reno models, meron tong auto-pixelate na feature that automatically pixelates sensitive information sa screenshots mo. Sobrang useful to automatically preserve the privacy of your contents. Now, a flagship phone demands a flagship price, right? Well, not quite. The OPPO Reno10 Pro Plus 5G is now available for pre-order for $39,999. This is actually a good price for a device that features all the things I mentioned, flagship level features, camera software, tapos meron kang extra features pa gaya ng remote, at saka charging and battery. Now, this is OPPO's most powerful Reno yet, and the price it asks for is good for the features it offers. If you're a fan of the series, the OPPO Reno10 Pro Plus 5G is the better choice. Check out our comprehensive review of the Reno10 Pro Plus 5G on our website at Gadget Pilipinas. You will find more benchmark charts and our full verdict of this device. This has been Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!